Hi guys, this is Jackie from the BUILDERALL team. In this session, I'm going to show you how you can create affiliations for your products. The first you need to do is to go and create a site for yourself. In this example, I have created 3 very simple pages. A product page where the product will sit on, as well as a link on this page for affiliates that are interested. They will then be directed to the affiliate page where they will get more information and then decide to sign up. And then we've got the thank you page. Thank you page is basically when somebody has purchased the product on your main page, they will be redirected to the thank you page for more information. There's also another thing that you have to remember before you start creating it, and that is to open 2 or create 2 new email lists. One for your affiliates where you will capture their detail, and one for people that has purchased the product. So now we're going to go back to the Cheetah site. We're going to go to the left. I'm going to scroll down until you get to Super Checkout. Now I'm going to show you, if we click on Business Info and you scroll down, you will see Global Affiliations. Just to let you know what this means, if you enable Global Affiliations and you complete this detail, this is very similar to what you're going to find when we create the product. That just means that if you have multiple different kinds of products, you would be able to give affiliates access to all of them to sell all your products in one go. They don't have to apply or register for each and every single one. So this is very self-explanatory. It's exactly the same as we would do when we create a single product. So I'm just going to leave it as disabled. So let's go to create a product. I'm going to click and add an image. In this example, we're just going to say that we are selling a BUILDERALL magazine. We're going to click OK. And we're going to give it details. And I'm just going to say it's all the same. We're just going to choose Stripe, US dollars. We're going to give it a value. We're just going to fill in all these details. We're going to go next. And now we come to the part of affiliation. We want to enable it. Now it says the first one, select the page where the visitors will request affiliation. It's very important that you know which page you are going to add that to. Now remember, we've got 3 pages. They're going to request affiliation on the affiliate page itself, not on the front page. So let's go back to the Super Checkout, and it's going to be the affiliate page. This is very important. If you get this wrong, you might pick up problems when it comes to level 2 affiliation, because that is actually when this is going to kick in by sending it to the right pages. So make sure that you're choosing the correct one right here, because you might not pick it up on the first level, but when it comes to the second level and further levels, this can become a problem. Then we're going to choose the mailing boss list. This is the list where your affiliates will be registered on, so that you would know who they are. And then, are you going to approve them manually or automatically? In this case, we're just going to leave it at automatic. And now we are going to configure the levels. So we're going to create our first level. It is important to remember to create your levels according to the value of your price. Just keep that in mind, because you don't want to start selling something for $45 and you're not going to make any money. So in this case, we're just going to pretend. We're going to give like 10% there, and we're going to add another level of 5%. So in total, this guy will get 15%, and we're going to confirm the levels. So we know that it is 10% on the first level, 5% on the second. So that means level 2 is if the person is going to get affiliates to also sell, then he would get commission on what they are selling as well. So then we're going to go next, and I'm just going to choose, this is all self-explanatory. Select your thank you page, and this is to do with the product, where the product is sitting and where it will be sent to once the product has been purchased. And select the page where we will sell it. That is the product page, and we're going to go next. Where would the people emails be captured once they purchase the product? That will be on that specific page. I'm not going to fill in all the rest here, and I'm just going to go next so that we can create the product, and we accept. And now the product has been created and we can go and add the links. So we're going to click on links, and you will note that we've got 3 different ones. We've got the checkout URL for the sales page, we've got the affiliate registration one, and then affiliate login. So let's go grab the sales page one first. We're going to go to the sales page and we're going to edit it. I think I've already opened it. Yes, I did. Now you have a choice here. You can add it to a button, or you can add it to an iframe. The choice is yours. Normally with buttons or call to action buttons, especially if you got a good sales letter, you would add your call to action buttons all over. If you are selling a physical product that is like wallets and things like that, then you're going to add it in an iframe. It depends really what your strategy is. But for now, let's just add it to the button and add the URL, and we're going to click select. We're going to go back to Super Checkout. Now the affiliate registration URL, copy and paste this as the action to become an affiliate. So we're going to copy that, and we are not going to do the product page, but we are going to the affiliate page, because this is where they want to become an affiliate. You're going to click on that button that you've created and add your URL and save. Let's go back to Super Checkout. And now for the affiliate login, we're going to copy that, go back to your main page. I've added it in the footer at the bottom, and you can see here we've got 2 sections. Let's do the affiliate login first, because that's the one that we've just copied. I'm going to add it in at the top, and I'm going to confirm. Now this affiliate program, we are going to send the people to our page that's sitting here, the affiliate page, where they can become an affiliate, because they first need to get some information about it. So let's go grab the code, the login. We've added that already, sorry. So now we need to link the affiliate program to a page, which is the affiliate page right there. We're going to click select, and we're going to click save. And that's fine. And we're going to go to the 3 dots, go to the website page. This is what the affiliate will see, your products. They're not going to buy it, but they want to become an affiliate. So they're going to click on the affiliate program, and it's going to open up the page. And this is where they will read more about your products, how the commission is going to work, the resources available, and then they will decide, I want to be an affiliate. And they're going to see exactly the commission that they're going to earn. They're going to say, I accept the terms and conditions, and I'm going to request. Now, because they're not an affiliate yet, they will need to register. And this is where they will fill in their details. So let's just call ourselves Hank B or whatever. And we're going to give some information. That's not a telephone number. And a postal address, something. Give it a password. And we're going to confirm. And now it's created our affiliation. And this is what your affiliate is going to see. They're going to see this page. They're going to see the levels that they're going to get commission on. And this is where they're going to click to grab their affiliate links. So they will use the product link at the top to send the people to your product, so that when people buy the product, they will get commission. And if they want to have affiliates underneath them that's going to sell the product, this is their affiliate link. And that is how you would create affiliates for your product.